What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about solving radical equations. This is lesson 4 and I'm gonna show you different examples in this video. And let's see, the first example is square root of 2r minus 3 plus 5 equals to 0. So we need to solve it. It means that we need to find the value of r. It means that somehow we need to isolate r. So the answer is I keep this one in here and move the 5 to the right hand side, it becomes negative 5. Then we squared both sides. So when you square root and square cancel each other, so it's going to be just 2r minus 3, and negative 5 squared is going to be 25. Negative 5 times negative 5 is going to be 25. And then we can say that 2r will be equal to 25 plus 3, which is 28. 25 plus 3, because negative 3, when it moves to the right hand side, is going to be 28. And then one last step to isolate r is to divide 2r by 2 in order to get r. So when you divide both sides by 2, we end up having r equals to 14. That's the final answer. Next example. Okay, let's do this. Square root of 7s minus 3 plus 2 equals to 0. Answer is, again, we need to isolate s in this case. So I keep this one in one side and I keep this one to the other side. So when positive 2 goes to the right hand side, it's going to be negative 2. Then we squared both sides. 7s minus 3 to the power of 2 equals to negative 2 to the power of 2. That will make it 7s minus 3 equals to 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be positive 4. Then you have 7s. Move this negative 3 to the right hand side. It's going to be 7. 7s equals to 7. Then s will be equal to 1. Next example is square root of p minus 1 plus 1 equals to p. So this question is a little bit different because we have p here. So first of all, I need to keep this one in the left hand side, and we bring this positive 1 to the right hand side, becomes negative. So it will be square root of p minus 1 equals to p minus 1. Now I need to get rid of this square root. So again, we squared both sides of this equation. It's going to be p minus 1, and here is going to be p squared. You remember that, right? Binomial squares. P minus 1 to the power of 2 is going to be p to the power of 2 plus 1 to the power of 2 minus 2p. So it's going to be negative 2p plus 1. Then I can move all this to this side, so it's going to be p squared minus 2p plus 1 minus p plus 1, because I move these two to the right hand side. Now we organize it. It's going to be negative 3p, because negative 2p and negative p is going to be negative 3p. 1 and 1 is going to be positive 2. And then we need to solve this one. 2 and negative 3. So we're looking for negative 2 and negative 1, right? Negative 2 and negative 1, when you multiply them, it's going to be positive 2. When you add them, it's negative 3. So we have p minus 2 times p minus 1 equals to 0. So the answers are p equals to 1, p equals to 2. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question or you didn't understand any part, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can find out lots of videos in different playlists I put in this channel. Okay, have a great day, and I'll come back with another video soon.